Learn English through stories. Intermediate English. Nikola Tesla, the man who lit the world. What if one person's imagination had the power to light up cities, change the future of technology, and shape the way we live today? This is the true story of Nikola Tesla, the inventor whose ideas created the modern electrical system we use around the world. As you listen and read along, you will improve your English effortlessly, step by step, while exploring powerful ideas that can inspire your own dreams and future. Don't just study English, live it through stories. A visionary is born. Nikola Tesla was born on July 10, 1856, in a small village called Smiljan, then part of the Austrian Empire, but now in Croatia. From a young age, he had a brilliant and curious mind. He saw the world differently than others, full of possibilities and unseen energies waiting to be discovered by science. A sad beginning. Tesla's childhood was marked by a great sadness. His older brother Dane died in a tragic accident, which deeply affected young Nikola. He later said that seeing his parents' grief made him want to achieve great things in his own life. This loss fueled his determination to make a difference in the world. A brush with death. As a teenager, Tesla became very sick with cholera and was near death for many months. His father, a priest, promised to send him to the best engineering school if he recovered. Miraculously, Nikola got better. This experience strengthened his resolve to pursue a life of science and invention with great purpose. A spark of genius. In 1875, Tesla enrolled at the Imperial Royal Technical College in Graz, Austria. He was a brilliant student who amazed his professors and could perform complex calculations in his head. However, he became obsessed with his studies, worked too hard, and eventually dropped out without finishing his degree. He was already thinking beyond classrooms. The rotating field. Nikola Tesla's idea for the rotating magnetic field came to him in 1882 while walking in a park in Budapest. He visualized a complete system using alternating current AC to create a rotating magnetic field, an idea that would later power the AC motor and change the world. He drew the concept in the sand to show his friend. Coming to America. With big dreams and only 4 cents in his pocket, Tesla immigrated to the United States in 1884. He carried a letter of recommendation to the famous inventor Thomas Edison. Tesla was excited to work for his hero, hoping to share his ideas for a new type of electrical system that was far superior. A famous disagreement. Edison hired Tesla to improve his direct current DC generators. Tesla later claimed that Edison had promised him a large bonus for completing the work. When Tesla finished, Edison reportedly told him it was a misunderstanding. Feeling disappointed and undervalued, Tesla resigned. This event marked a major turning point in his career. The Tesla Electric Company. After leaving Edison, Tesla struggled, even digging ditches to survive. But he did not give up. He soon found investors and founded the Tesla Electric Company in 1887. He finally had his own laboratory to build the inventions he had dreamed of, starting with his AC motor. A powerful partner. Tesla's efficient AC motor caught the attention of George Westinghouse, a wealthy industrialist. Westinghouse understood the potential of Tesla's AC system and believed it was better than Edison's DC system. In 1888, he bought the patent rights, giving Tesla the resources he needed to continue his important work. The War of the Currents. A fierce competition began between Edison's DC system and the Tesla Westinghouse AC system. Edison publicly argued that AC was dangerous and sponsored demonstrations to show its risks. However, Tesla and Westinghouse proved that AC could safely transmit electricity over long distances and was far more efficient than DC. Lighting the World's Fair. In 1893, the Chicago World's Fair became a historic victory for alternating current. Westinghouse and Tesla won the contract to power the event. Thousands of lights illuminated the fairgrounds using Tesla's AC system, demonstrating to millions of visitors that AC was reliable, safe, and ready to power the modern world. Harnessing Niagara Falls. In 1895, Tesla's alternating current system was used at Niagara Falls to build the first major hydroelectric power plant using AC. This achievement successfully transmitted electricity over long distances and marked the beginning of modern power generation. The magnificent Tesla coil. In 1891, Tesla invented the Tesla coil, a device that could generate extremely high voltages. This invention became essential for his experiments in wireless communication and electrical transmission. The principles of the Tesla coil later influenced technologies used in early radio and electrical research. Wireless dreams. Tesla dreamed of sending not only information but also electrical power without wires. He conducted experiments to demonstrate the possibility of wireless transmission. Although the full vision was never completed, his ideas laid the foundation for the development of modern wireless technology. The radio-controlled boat. In 1898, Tesla demonstrated a radio-controlled boat in New York City, astonishing audiences. It was the world's first public demonstration of wireless remote control. Although later inventors like Guglielmo Marconi became more famous for radio, Tesla's earlier patents were later recognized as foundational to radio technology. A global vision. Tesla began building the Wardenclyffe Tower in 1901 with funding from J.P. Morgan. Tesla envisioned a global wireless communication system. However, when investors were unsure how the project would make money, financial support was withdrawn before the vision could be completed. The dream fades. Without further investment, construction stopped on the Wardenclyffe Tower. The technology was far ahead of its time and too expensive for commercial use. Although the project failed, it showed Tesla's extraordinary imagination for the future of global communication. A poor businessman. While Tesla was a brilliant inventor, he was not a savvy businessman. He often cared more about the science than about making money. He gave up valuable patent rights and made poor financial decisions. Many of his incredible inventions never translated into personal wealth, and he struggled with money for much of his life. An eccentric mind. In his later years, Tesla became increasingly eccentric and reclusive, living alone in New York City hotels. He developed unusual habits, like being obsessed with the number 3. He fed pigeons in the park every day and claimed to have a special bond with one particular white pigeon, which he loved like a person. A solitary end. Nikola Tesla died alone in his room at the Hotel New Yorker on January 7, 1943, at the age of 86. Although he did not die wealthy, he received a small income from his patents and support from friends who recognized his importance to modern science. The global standard. Today, alternating current, AC, the system championed by Tesla and Westinghouse, remains the global standard for transmitting electricity over long distances. Every time modern power grids operate, They use principles developed by Tesla over a century ago. A lasting honor. Tesla's name is honored in science. The Tesla, T, is the official unit used to measure the strength of magnetic fields, a tribute to his pioneering work in magnetism. This ensures that his name is remembered by scientists and engineers everywhere who continue to build upon his incredible discoveries and contributions. The future is electric. In the 21st century, the electric car company Tesla Incorporated was named in his honor. Its electric motor is based on Tesla's original AC induction motor design, bringing his invention into a new era of clean transportation. The man who lit the world. Nikola Tesla was a true visionary, a man who dreamed of a better future for humanity. Though he died poor and was often misunderstood during his life, his inventions laid the foundation for our modern world. His genius continues to inspire inventors, engineers, and dreamers all over the globe to this day. What about you? Nikola Tesla imagined a better future and never gave up, even when others doubted him. What dream are you working toward today? How will you use your talents to make a difference in the world? Share in the comments. Your idea could be the next big breakthrough. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more fun English lessons.